Joseph, hi.
Hi, Rick.
Nice
Welcome
to
to
see you
Dubai.
today. Thank you very much. It's great to be here. It's my fourth trip to Dubai. I love the place, and I envy you being full time here. All right, and working. And I'm really happy to be here to meet Tickmill and your team, and you, Joseph, as the managing director of Tickmill. Tell me a little bit about your personal story, briefly, and sort of how you came to be where you are today.
Rick, welcome to Dubai. It's a pleasure
Thank
to
you.
have you here at our Tickmill Dubai office.
Yeah.
My personal background, let's say I was a trader since 2008. And I started working in this field, in this industry since 2011. Back then, I started as a country manager for Tickmill in Lebanon. So I was handling or taking care of the Lebanese market at first.
Interesting.
I did well, apparently.
Apparently, yeah.
And Tickmill decided to actually expand my tasks to handle several countries in the MENA region, which was actually Lebanon, Jordan, Oman. And after that, we've decided to open our Dubai office. Definitely to be closer to the clients in the MENA region. And as you already know, that Dubai is a leading hub, financial hub recently. And all the leading brokers in this industry should be located in the financial hubs such as Dubai.
Right.
We're located in the DIFC, which is the financial district
Yeah.
of Dubai.
Which is in our background here.
Yes. The plans, the future plans is actually to expand our presence in the MENA region, not only in Dubai, in several GCC countries as well. And there's a lot of good news incoming. I cannot share everything here in the podcast, but I mean,
Okay.
we're expanding our footprints to other GCC countries as
So
well.
that's your near future plans to expand even more in the Middle East.
Correct.
So Dubai, you see it as your base of operation.
That's true.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Great. It sounds like the future looks good for Tickmill. Yeah.
Indeed.
And you have big plans. I have signed up in my experience with many different brokers, and what I would like to ask about Tickmill is the relationship that you have with your clients. Is that important to you, or is it more of just an internet relationship? Because the brokers I've signed up with in the past, I never meet them, I never hear from them. It's all emails. And I'm just wondering, is Tickmill any different?
I mean, there's a lot of brokers that, yes, as you mentioned, it's more of an automated system. At Tickmill, we obviously do both. So depending on the client, depending on what he likes or how he likes to be treated. So some people doesn't actually like to be contacted at all. So what we do, we try to introduce ourselves via email, via a phone call, for example, a point of contact, and then we wait for him if he has any inquiry of any question or any help he needs. But on the other side, we do have a lot of partners that appreciate us being on ground next to them. And this is the main part behind our expansion in the Middle East and in the MENA region in general. So by opening Dubai office, as I mentioned earlier, and expanding our footprints in the GCC, other countries, and having different offices and location, one of the reasons is to be on ground next to our clientele and next to our clients, so that they feel our presence. And of course, definitely for the relationships that we have with them.
Yeah.
The second part of the question is that we do a lot of education events on ground, such as seminars. We participate in expos, in events, to meet our clients, to get to know them better.
Right.
I think this is important for the partners or for the clients in general. They feel more of a different level, let's say, relationship in work in general, and they feel more comfortable, get to know the people behind the company, behind the brand. Which one do you like, Rick?
Do you try to develop a special relationship with what's called an IB partner, introducing broker, which is more than just what the average client, that's more than his involvement, where an IB is basically a partner with you and looking to grow his client base, his networking base, and bring clients to Tickmill. So do you look for ways that you can improve or grow your relationship with your IB partners?
Yeah, so definitely it starts at first, the relation starts a little bit shy.
Yeah.
It's like any relationship in the world, like when you get to know a person, you start, let's say, get to know this person. And then when the business moves forward and you see that this partner is giving his best towards the brand or the company that he works with, and this is where we actually give him more. And then we fly to the country of his presence, and then we get to know this partner, we build a relationship with him, we try to understand how he attracts his clients, or how he actually, what services he gives. And in that sense, we can actually profile the IB and then help him in different areas and push him more further, so that we can have a solid relationship with this IB and partner. We prefer not to use the IB word. We prefer like a partner more. It's a kind of a partnership. We have several success stories in which this happened, and we got to know the partner better, and now we have physical offices on ground in different countries. These partners actually are the ones that present Tickmill and the brand in their region. So we have partners, for example, in Kuwait, in Oman, in Egypt, in all of these countries, that the partner himself has the office. We do support the partner to all extents. However, he is the one that present the brand in his country, in his region.
Right. Okay. Yeah. Now, you have mentioned several countries in the Middle East, Cyprus, UK. Because I live in Thailand, I will ask the question, do you see any potential expansion into the Southeast Asia market, which I don't think that Tickmill is really very prominent there or very well known?
Rick, so as discussed under the podcast or behind the podcast, we at Tickmill prefer to actually operate in the countries in a legal and legit way. Yes. So Tickmill is the kind of brand that prefer to take the license, and then after that operate legally and in a free way that, I don't know, that allows us to do marketing activities, to promote our brand more and more. So when we discuss about the Southeast Asian market, so basically we do have a person in charge for this region. It's not my, let's say, I'm handling the MENA region, obviously. Yeah. But I mean, there is some challenges to expand. Tickmill is a global brand, and we do operate globally. However, to acquire licenses is not something very easy. Yeah. But we are aiming to do that, to acquire more licenses in different countries, so that we operate in a more, let's say, easier way in different countries. When you acquire the license, you're operating legally in the country. Exactly. No one will come and ask you like why you're promoting your brand on the highway, etc. You know what I mean? Sure. So, but yeah, we're planning to acquire these licenses.
Okay, great. Sounds good. I wanted to ask you a little bit about how you see AI taking a part in your business, in the expansion of your business, and how the clients interact with Tickmill, because I have particularly noticed on your website, there is one banner that does say something like AI provided signals, or something about how the client can use AI in their trading. So what role does the AI, which is new now pretty much worldwide, but going to continue to expand and grow, what is AI's role in Tickmill?
Yeah. So you mentioned something that we both agree that the AI technology is continuing to grow, and it will take over more and more in the future. That is why, as a one of the leading brokers in the industry, we need to implement the AI and integrate it into our systems. So at the beginning, I think we have two roads to implement the AI. First one, and which is the easiest part, is the support. So basically, when a client goes to the chat or try to contact someone from the company, that if he has any inquiry, any issues with his platform, he's facing any issues with Tickmill in general. So basically, the first thing he can do is chat one of our agents online on our website, and the AI will definitely reply to him and try to help him out. If AI didn't work, he will definitely transport him or transfer the chat to a human agent.
Right.
So basically, this is the first part where AI took over, which is the support part.
And by the way, AI provides very good support and continuing to
A lot.
improve on the support they provide.
Very
Sometimes it's almost human, the support.
Exactly. 100%.
My own personal interaction with AI sometimes, I'm like, whoa. It's almost like a real person
That's
interaction.
True.
Yeah.
That's true. Yep. So we did implement the AI in our website. And the second part is when it comes to the trading part, which is the technical analysis. So I don't know, you're maybe experienced in this part. We always had the EA, the expert advisors, and etc. However, I do not consider this as AI.
Correct. It's not. Yeah.
It's not. It's more of algorithmic numbers, equations, formulas, etc. However, when it comes to AI, we do have something like tools, something called, it's a third-party provider, by the way. It's a third-party company. We pay for the subscription. However, we offer it for free for the client, such as Capitalize AI. It's something like Signal Center or like AutoChartist. It's a tool that actually tries to analyze the market and gives you the probability of the direction of the market. So try to take this trade. It has a medium risk, for example, with potential resistance at this target, support at this target, risk to reward ratio, etc. So it's a tool that you can just with one click on the MT5 or MT4, you can try to see it on the chart in front of you, and it will guide you through some trading strategies. Is it 100% accurate? Not yet, I would say, but it is becoming more and more accurate because the AI, as you know, it actually, it's smart to an extent that it corrects its
machine learning.
Exactly. It corrects its mistakes and it learns from them, and it is becoming better and better with time.
Very interesting.
It will not make you rich, but it will definitely guide you through less risky trades and investment in general.
So it's likely that something like this can increase your win rate.
That is correct.
Oh, okay. I've noticed also that Tickmill provides execution of trades on TradingView. TradingView is one of the most heavily used trading platforms in the world. It's an excellent analysis software. And I've just recently discovered that you can execute your trades. If you have an account with Tickmill, you can execute those trades on TradingView. You can do your analysis on TradingView, and you can click buy or sell on TradingView with your Tickmill platform.
I mean, this is one of the recent achievements that we've made at Tickmill. So basically, TradingView is a very well-known platform, as you said. So it's one of the most used platforms because it has everything. It has all the products, everything.
Absolutely.
So we decided to actually give this experience to our database and clientele and clients so that they can actually not only choose MT4, MT5, and Tickmill Trader, which we do have our own application, by the way, to use as well the TradingView. So you integrate your account with TradingView with just 2 steps, username, password, very easy. And then you can just search for the products that's written next to them, Tickmill. Or you can do your own wish list, for example, of products, Euro USD, pound, gold, etc. But there is a certain way. It's very easy. We can just guide the client towards the steps. And yes, you can trade directly.
Are you getting any kind of feedback from your clients about the use of TradingView? That they like it or they don't like it, or complaints or support or anything? Positive, negative?
The ones who already use TradingView and is trading through Tickmill and TradingView, it's actually pretty awesome because they already know the platform. But I mean, the ones that are not familiar with TradingView, I don't think they will go there.
Probably
to be honest.
Not.
That is why it's very minimal to have like negative feedbacks on the platform. I mean, at the end of the day, we just integrated Tickmill with TradingView, but like TradingView as a platform, so you will not have negative feedbacks coming towards us. I mean, the feedbacks will basically go towards TradingView. It's a third party.
And there's no reason that it wouldn't work.
Exactly.
Because it's integration.
Exactly.
And so, but I myself use TradingView a lot. I'm a heavy user. I think I have a premium account or something. And when I saw that Tickmill can be used on TradingView, I thought, wow, that's an obvious benefit. Yes. Yeah, it makes it really easy to execute your trades. Because before, I would analyze on TradingView, and then I have to flip over to MT4 or MT5 and then execute the trade, then come back to TradingView. But it makes it a very easy platform to trade from. So finally, what are, if you can give me, 3 main benefits which make Tickmill different from your competition, from your other competitors?
All right, so there's a lot of good brokers out there. Definitely we're one of them. And what we're trying to do is we're trying to provide the best experience possible for our client. All right, so when a client chooses Tickmill over other brokers, he needs to know that we do have everything so that the experience is covered fully. When it comes to fast deposit withdrawals, when it comes to safety of funds, when it comes to our licenses across the world, from the UK license, the FCA, to the FSA license in Dubai, to all these tier 1 licenses. It's actually, the safety of funds is the most important to us, for the clients. So basically, when he transfers his money to Barclays Bank or to these UK banks or Dubai banks, he feels safe that his funds are in a safe place. This is the most important. And then when it comes to the trading part, you have the execution part. We do have a very fast execution platform. We do work with huge LPs, liquidity providers. So basically, we work with more than 12 plus LPs. And that's one of the advantages over other brokers, that the feed we have. That's why we have really low spreads. And this is very important, because if you see other brokers and you want to access the raw spreads in other brokers, they tell you need to deposit at least $3,000 and above. However, we do provide the raw spreads with a minimum of $100 an account. And I think this is an advantage.
Definitely.
So this is important, because nowadays all the traders, they know that the lower the spreads, the lower the cost, and the more profits I can make, because it's less costly on me to trade raw spreads over the standard spreads. So you have your funds in a safe place. You're working with a tier 1 regulated broker. You have fast execution withdrawal deposit withdrawals. You have fast execution in trading. You have a lot of products to trade, from CFDs to stocks to 500 US stocks, and we're adding now the real stocks as well. So we're always expanding our products for the clients to trade. You want soft commodities, we do have. You want cryptos, we have cryptos. And
can you trade crypto 24/7?
24/7
on Tickmill.
24/7 on Tickmill. It's always there. It's always moving.
Many brokers offer crypto, but it's only 24/5.
Correct. We do have it 24/7.
Excellent.
And when it comes to the indices, for example, Dow Jones, the SP 500, and all these products, we're talking about cash spot or cash CFDs. Let's say there is no rollover. You don't need to close the trade and reopen it again. So you can just invest long term. When it comes to oil as well, so several other brokers when it comes to oil trading, upon the rollover expiry dates, you need to close the positions and reopen it again, as if it's futures,
Correct.
right? But I mean, we do have the cash spot CFDs. You can just trade it and long-term investment.
Oh, okay. So Tickmill offers futures trading as well.
We do have futures trading on a different platform.
Right.
So
Yeah,
it's
of course.
called the CQG platform.
Right.
It's under UK entity. We do have futures options. And this is one of our, actually, I think it's a gem. Like this differentiates Tickmill from other brokers. So we're not only a CFD broker.
Correct.
We do have futures options. And you know, when a company has futures options directly connected to the CME, this is a legit broker, legit company. It's one of the top companies that you might invest in.
Right. Oh, okay. So a client can trade CFDs and futures with Tickmill.
That is correct.
Oh.
Not on the same platform, but I mean,
Yes,
yes,
okay.
it is possible.
I get it. Okay. Oh, excellent. Well, those are many benefits that you listed, more than the 3 that I asked for. Very, very good.
So yeah, we were trying to actually, as I mentioned earlier, we're trying to give a full experience for the trader, so that when he comes in to Tickmill and choose Tickmill over the other brands, he has the experience and everything he needs from the social trading as well. So if he's a money manager and he wants to people or traders to copy his trades, we do have this.
Okay, you
in-house.
say you call it social trading. A lot of clients know it by copy trade.
This is copy trading.
Oh.
However, in-house, so it's not with a third party
Correct.
company. It is an in-house copy trading, and that's why we call it Tickmill social trading. So we do have all the technologies, the PAM, the MAM, the social trading, all the platforms, several products. So
The full package.
it's a full package.
Great. Okay. All right. This is great stuff. I can't wait to get back home and share this podcast with my clients. I'm sure I will be finding many people who are interested and want to join Tickmill. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you,
Joseph.
Rick.
I appreciate it.
Welcome
Okay.
to Dubai. Thank you.